Welcome to this lecture on process control, chapter on Laplace transform. In this, let me solve a problem relating to the forcing function, step function. We had earlier seen different types of forcing functions, and in my last lecture, that is part 23, the previous lecture, we had discussed the sketch of multiple step functions in part 23. I hope you had gone through that. In case you had missed that, please go through that. The link for that is given below. So if you had gone through that, this lecture, this class will be easier. So this class also, in this also, we'll be solving we'll be seeing the sketch and the Laplace transform of multiple step functions. So this is a question from previous year paper of GATE. Previous year paper of GATE in Chemical Engineering 1996. The question is this. This was a question from Chemical Engineering 1996 paper of GATE. The question is this: the Laplace transform of a Staircase function f b comma t, f of bt, formed by successive addition of unit step functions at 0, b, 2b, 3b, etc. is 4 options are given. So we have to find the Laplace transform of a staircase function. How is it formed? It's formed by successive addition of unit step functions starting from 0 and then b at 2b, 3b, etc. So first let us discuss the sketch. Let us draw the sketch for this, and then let us find out what is the Laplace transform. So let me draw the sketch. Unit step function. Suppose if you take this as 0 and this as 1. So this is 0 on both axes, x as well as y. So unit step function starting at this is this. So let's say this is b, and at b another step function is added of magnitude 1. Another step function. This is another b, so this will be 2b. And at 2b another unit step function is added. So like that it will go. So this is unit step function at 0, and next one is unit step function. This is unit step function formed at b. The next one is added is unit step function formed at 2b. So these magnitudes are all 1. So let me draw this neatly. I have drawn this function, the same function, same thing. Here the lines do not look exactly horizontal and vertical. The same function, what I had explained here, I had redrawn it here. So this is the first step function at 0, and this is the second unit step function starting at b, and this is the third step function, unit step function starting at 2b. This is the step function starting at 3b. This is step function starting at 4b. All are magnitude 1. This magnitude is 1. Everywhere the magnitude is 1. 1. 1. So this is the sketch. Now What will be the equation for this? What will be the equation for this? F of t equal to, first one is u of t. The second one, so what will be this? This is also a step function, but starting from b. Translation of unit step function, translation of function. So this is going to be u of t minus b plus this one. So first u of t, this is u of t, this is u of t, this is u of t minus b, and this one is going to be u of t minus 2b. This, and this one, this is also unit step function starting at 3b. So plus u of t minus 3b, and so on. It goes on. It's a series. It goes on. So this is the equation for this function. So this equation I written here, same, f of t equal to u of t plus u of t minus b plus u of t minus 2b plus u of t minus 3b plus u of t minus 4b, etc., etc. It goes on. You can write as many as you want. It's a series. So here I stopped with t minus 3b. Here I added t minus 4b. You can keep on adding t minus 5b and so on. Okay, now let us find out what is the Laplace transform of this. So take Laplace transform. And you have to keep in mind that what is the Laplace transform of if you have a Laplace transform of f of t is f of s, then Laplace transform of translation of the function f of t minus t naught is going to be f of s into e power minus st naught. Translation of function. If you write the Laplace transform, f of s equal to, what is the Laplace transform of u of t? First term 1 by s. Second term same 1 by s multiplied by e power minus bs using this formula. Second term, third term 1 by s e power minus 2bs. Third term, fourth term 1 by s e power minus 3bs. So like that you can keep on adding. If you take 1 by s common, so this goes on. Taken 1 by s common, so remaining terms etc., etc. Now let me call this e power minus bs as x. Then what happens to this equation? You get f of s will be equal to 1 plus x plus x square plus x power 3 and so on. So if I take e power minus bs as x, this equation will become f of s equal to 1 by s, 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 and so on. Now what is this? This is a series. What is this? 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4. This is nothing but 1 minus x. So this is 1 plus x square plus x cube etc. will be equal to 1 minus x power minus 1. 1 minus x power minus 1 will be equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4. So that is equal to 1 by s into 1 minus x. Now let me substitute back the value of x. If I substitute the value of x, what is x? E power minus x is here. Value of x is e power minus bs. So it's going to be 1 minus e power minus bs. So this is the answer. Laplace transform of the staircase function found by successive addition of unit step functions equal to this. The Laplace transform of the staircase function found by successive addition of unit step function as asked in the question is this. Do we have this in the options? Yes, I think this is option D. Yes. So this is option D. This is option D is our answer. So this is option D given. Is the answer. And looking at the answer, different options given in the answer question, we can eliminate at least one or two from what we know already, because option A is 1 by s. We know 1 by s is, before doing the question, before solving the problem, you can eliminate one or two options. First one is 1 by s. 1 by s cannot be a Laplace transform of a multiple functions. 1 by s is the Laplace transform of a simple unit step function. So this cannot be the answer here. And similarly 1 by bs, this is same as 1 by s multiplied by 1 by b. So the magnitude of the step function is 1 by b. So that also cannot be the answer, because here the magnitude of the step function is 1, and this is the 1 by bs is the transform of unit step, transform of a step function, single step function of magnitude 1 by b. So this cannot be an answer. So possibly these two could have been the answers, and after which can be verified only after drawing the sketch and finding out the Laplace transform. So we found that D is the correct option. Okay, so I hope you had understood this. So we'll solve more examples, maybe from gate paper or otherwise, in the next few lectures. See you till then.